Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Learner TV. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency wallets. From software to hardware, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. Types of cryptocurrency wallets. There are several types of cryptocurrency wallets, each with its own unique features and benefits. Let's explore them. Software wallets. Software wallets are installed on your computer or mobile device. They're convenient and easy to use, but may be vulnerable to hacking. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys securely. They're more secure than software wallets, but can be expensive. Paper wallets. Paper wallets are physical printouts of your private keys. They're super secure, but not very convenient for daily use. Hybrid wallets. Hybrid wallets combine different wallet types, like software and hardware. They offer a balance of convenience and security. Wallet security features. When choosing a wallet, look for security features like two-factor authentication, multi-sig technology, and encryption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto content. Join the conversation in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video.